Hey, what's up you guys? Before we start today's video, I just want to go ahead and say that we're doing a 200 subscribe giveaway. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to the channel. As soon as we hit 200 subscribers, we're going to go ahead and give away an Amazon gift card. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's get started with it. What's up guys? We're back for today. Since we pretty much got Apollo done except for paint, fixing the windshield crack, and getting new tires and maybe new wheels for the right side, pretty much we're done except for the part that's most important. And that most important part is going to be getting it to the DMV and getting it re-registered as a salvage car, which I haven't done yet, which I have to do now. We're gonna be trying to go get that stuff, that whole process done today. Hopefully most of it, if not all of it, because it's my day off and I don't wanna have to deal with this anymore. At least, you know, the DMV part of it. Let's go ahead and head over to the DMV and get it done. Okay, so I was accelerating, right? I was messing around with these three little buttons that the FRSs have over here. But I was accelerating and then I saw that this right here was at like 100 miles per hour, and I just kind of was just like, there's no way I was going that fast. I had switched it over to kilometers per hour, which obviously is not what we use in the United States. All right, you guys, we finally made it to the DMV. We're gonna go ahead and try and get this thing registered, hopefully today. I don't know if I'm gonna actually be able to, or if I'm gonna have to wait until Friday to get it done, because I have to get the salvage certificate, but then also to re-register it, I gotta get a brake and light inspection and a VIN verification by DMV. So with that whole process, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do all of it today, or if I will, who knows, we'll find out. But hopefully it doesn't take too long, because DMV always takes forever. We started up the paperwork and we have to get like a VIN verification. It doesn't say I need a smog check, which is actually kind of cool. I have a brake and light adjustment certification that I have to do. To go there, if we have time, we can come back here, but if not, then you know, we can't, because it's already about like 3 o'clock right now. We got the verification done. Now all I have to do is go get the brake and light adjustment certification. And right now I'm racing against the clock because it's 3:40 and it took a little bit for them to actually make it out to me. Once someone actually comes out here and they check your car, it takes like 5 minutes. They check a couple things. I thought they were maybe gonna have a problem with the fenders maybe, but like they honestly didn't even check that. It was just literally checking for the VIN and the mileage and everything. And I have to get the inspection, and then I'm trying to get back over there so I don't have to do this at all. If not, then I'm gonna have to finish it like the next day I have off. Also, I'm not too sure why they didn't have me do the smog inspection, because I thought no matter what year your car is, if it was a salvage title, I thought it was automatically going to have to get a smog just because it was in an accident and maybe it doesn't work as efficiently or something. I don't know, but my car doesn't require one, so I guess maybe just because it's new enough to a point where it doesn't need a smog yet, then I avoided it. But at the same time, that kind of sucks if I really didn't need to, because that means I didn't have to take off my headers. So we'll go ahead and find out if I didn't need it. If I didn't need it, then well, you guys learned a valuable lesson. If your car is, I think it's like 5, 6, maybe 7 years old, then it may not need it, no matter if it's a salvage title or not. I'll have to go get that inspection right now. All right, we're at the place. It's called KL Auto Repairs. We're gonna try and get this thing certified, because if it can get certified, we can go ahead and we got good time. Hopefully we can be out of here by 4. And if we're out of here by 4, that's ideal, absolutely ideal. We passed the brake and light inspection. It's 4 o'clock exactly. We have about an hour to get back. If you guys ever need, like, if you guys have a salvage title, this, that, whatever, and you need a brake and light adjustment certification, you guys can go to him. This is his shop right here, K&L Auto Repair, 637 North 13th Street. That's his number. Go ahead and give him a call. He charged about $120 for both the brakes and then the lights. Super quick process, and I passed with flying colors. He got me in super quick, super quick. It was like 3:50 when I got here. It's 4 o'clock exactly when I leave. So it's literally a 10-minute process. Even though 120 seems like a lot, it's really nothing. It's absolutely nothing, because they're 2 separate certifications that you have to get. So you have the brake certification and you have the light adjustment certification, just about the same as like other people. And not everyone is DMV certified. He is DMV certified, So, you know, go to him if you ever need anything, especially if you need to register a car and you need to get that inspection done, go to him. We're at the DMV again. We got about 45 minutes until they close. Hopefully they're not just gonna be like, nah, get the hell out, come back another day. But we're going in right now. We got to take off the plates and surrender them to them because they're gonna be giving us new ones. All right, you guys, we are back. We somehow made it in. I don't know if they were closing at 4 or something. I don't know, but we got the plates that we needed. We got the registration. It's all good to go. Now, next video, all we got to do is worry about trying to find a place to either paint or wrap this car. And dude, that's freaking amazing. Now we know it's completely mine, and that's awesome. It's great to see. Like, straight up, we barely made it. When I tell you they were denying people from getting in the building, but somehow I got in. I think I accidentally screwed someone else over because I think they mistaken me for someone else. So I'm sorry if you were that person, but somehow I managed to get in even though they were rejecting people because I think they thought I was someone else who they were supposed to let in, which is literally the luckiest I could ever be. And literally no one can ever get luckier from the DMV than what I just got right now. I don't know how the hell that happened, but we got our plates, we got everything done. They're sending the new title to me in the mail, and boom, we're done. We don't have to worry about any of the DMV stuff. We were able to punch it out in one day, and now all we got to worry about is actually getting her ready. The next mission right now is to get gas, which is the easiest mission of the day, yet I do not want to be pushing my car. Well, I've never had new plates before, so it's definitely interesting. I'm gonna have to put both of these on to the new plate. Let's get her done. Put her on the back real quick. Nothing else to it. Gotta be real careful. All right, looks good. And then one so I don't get pulled over. Well, I guess both of them are, but you know. Boom, baby. If you see this, don't take my tag, please. I went through too much to get them stolen off of my plates. Please don't take them. Ooh, yes, baby. She looked good. All right, now that we got all that stuff done, I'm freaking starving. I gotta get some food in me and some fatness. I'm getting big. I just want to show you guys one thing real quick. Take a look right here. Look how much room we're gonna have now. That's 20 millimeters right there. Beautiful. But yeah, those 255s are gonna fit amazingly. I'm back in the parking garage in which I pretty much shoot everything. Like, if I'm not just like roaming around, I'm usually in this parking garage. Like, this is a parking garage I just kind of like discovered on my own. And just basically closing out the video, I just wanted to close it out real quick. We got everything that we needed to do. I'll go ahead and make like a whole separate video of just like the process itself. Just like explaining the whole thing a little bit better rather than just watching me go through it. But we definitely got her, we got her done. She's processed, she got like all of her paperwork done. All the DMV stuff is over now. Now all we gotta worry about is actually mechanically getting her done, getting the headers back in, because I didn't even need to do those. I didn't have to get a smog check. I don't know if it was just because it was newer, a little bit newer of a vehicle, and after a certain amount of years, no matter if it's salvaged or a clean title car, I didn't need to get it smogged. So that was really cool, but at the same time, it really sucks because that means I didn't have to change my headers whatsoever. That's pretty much it for this video, you guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like on it, comment on the video. You are wild. Anyways, like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel because we obviously got way more content coming soon. Apollo's about to get resprayed or wrapped. We're just gonna find out next video what we're gonna go ahead and do, and then we're gonna go ahead and bring it in, and when she comes back, she's gonna be all looking brand new, looking even better than what she did when I first got her, because none of the scratches will be there anymore. All right, you guys, I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Have a great day.